Alright guys, I'm going to a police call now. All I know is it sounds like it was on the railroad tracks. There was a Subaru that got hit by a train. I'm not sure what the total damages are, but it sounds like that front wheels are pretty badly damaged and the back should roll. We won't know until we get there, but I'll let you guys know. It just started raining really hard in town, so I'm guessing maybe that had something to do with it, but who knows. Yeah, it is super rare to get calls about vehicles coming in contact with a train like this. Pretty interesting to see what exactly we're getting into. I'll let you know as soon as I see it here. basically it split that wheel all the way out. You heard that skate though. I'm trying to see if I can get it to come out of there. That's crazy. Actually, if you want to sit inside, I'm gonna have you set the e-brake. Okay. And then I'm gonna try using the bed to push it forward once the e-brake set. Okay. Because that'll lock up the rear wheels. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Try that. I'm gonna push it forward. Yeah, there we go. Try taking off the e-brake. Well, look at that. There we go. It's off. Yeah, if you want to rope the windows, then we'll just turn it all off. And you can put it apart. That's one way to do it. Yeah. If you ever get one with the front wheels messed up, but the other ones are fine, if you lock the e-brake, sometimes you can push the whole bed and it'll just push that one bad wheel. Yeah. There we go. Alright everybody, hopefully it's not too dark. Yeah, we got him back to the shop here. And luckily, it looks like he was just at that stop sign right at the train. And he went to pull out and didn't see the train coming. And it just clipped the front end and spun it around and knocked that wheel pretty bad. You can see on the video there, it's basically not even attached to the A-arm anymore, just by the top strut there. That thing is, they might end up totaling that. I'm not too sure. It just depends on if it has frame damage or not. But we got it back to the yard. He's going to call his insurance and then they're going to figure it out from there. Luckily, nobody was seriously hurt. He walked away just fine. No injuries at all. So that's a really good thing. I'll see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get another one. See ya. Thank you for watching.